Hi there, welcome back to Aidans Railways. Today we're down at the bench straight away. Something just come through the post. I could have done an unboxing, but I was too intrigued as to find out what was actually in the box. Now, weirdly enough, this is something that was ordered in February from Hornby, and obviously our whole COVID coronavirus thing kicked off. So, I kind of forgot about it, to be perfectly honest. I did actually send an email a while back just asking a little bit of inquiry about the item, because it was marked as dispatched for a couple of months now, but nothing had arrived. But I had pretty much forgotten all about this. So Aidan and myself are both members of the Hornby Collectors Club, for a couple of reasons, exclusive items, things like that. Just generally to be in the club. It's not a lot of money, and as we've seen before with some of the other items, you get a free locomotive. So why turn it down, especially this year on the Centenary year? And lo and behold, it is the Centenary locomotive. Little railroad model, very similar to the locos that you get in the starter packs, and it's arrived. It's nothing too flash, but it is something. It is something that's worth having purely just because of the Centenary, especially if you can't afford some of the bigger items or the other items that have sold out on pre-order for the Centenary. Here's something that you can have to commemorate it. So let's open it up. Just in case you're wondering, there we go. R3867 2020 Hornby Collector Club 040 locomotive. So put that box there. Now what we've got here is the usual gubbins, the usual operating and maintenance instructions. I'm not going to go through them all, but it's all there. Everything about servicing it, looking after it, all that sort of stuff. It's analog. You can fit a chip to it, but you will have to do it yourself. It's not what they say DCC ready, and with the ability just to plug it in. You will have to do a certain amount of soldering and wire cutting. So there we go. Open up the front. Now, I've already been in here, I've already had a look. More recently, with some of these models, and I don't know whether it's an oversight or whether it was just something that Hornby were doing, you were getting the brake vacuum pipes, and I've done videos before where painting them up before fitting them doesn't half make it look a little bit better. But they hadn't been putting in the crew, and the crew are back in, which is great. And I've done a video before. I'll put a link up on the screen and in the description if I can remember, about how easy it is just to paint those crew. Sticking them in like that, it's nice, but if you get them painted up, they look even better, and it's so easy. So I'll put a link in if I can remember, so that you can have a look and maybe give it a go yourself. So next on to the locomotive. As I've said before, this is just the basic 040 railroad model, but let's have a closer look, or let's try and have a closer look, there we go, of the Hornby Centenary crest on the side. Really nice little item just on the side to celebrate exactly what it's all about this year. And of course, we've got the running number of 100. Remember, this whole thing is just a moulding. This part is a separate moulding, but all of it's just a moulding. So this is just painted at the top here, same as the dome. It's all one moulding. I do believe these are separately fitted though, the safety valves, or whistle and safety valve, it's hard to tell. But unlike the little 040 saddle tanked railroad models, this does not have a cast chassis. It's very plastic, so it is incredibly light. It would be nice to have a cast chassis, but it's not. It is just plastic. Lovely little loco. All of the moulded detail is picked out, with the separate paint here. Seems to be sort of a brassy gold colour. We've seen in these before. The detail is inside the cab, although very hard to see at the moment with the way the light is. But it can be picked out. I've done a video before, same link as before, we're detailing them up. It's so easy. It's quite therapeutic, especially if you've got the time these days. we've got all the lamp irons there, just moulded. It's no sprung buffers or anything. It is what it is. It is a basic railroad model, but it is one of those items that, quite frankly, I would say it's worth having purely for the Centenary. They're not a lot of money. I think the Collectors Club's about £28 annually at the moment, which is nothing. So 28 quid for a loco, and you do get the pin badge and your membership card. Let's have a quick look. Have I got a Centenary pin badge? I have, yes. There we go. The Centenary Collector Club pin badge as well. So there you go. I'm going to stick it on the rolling road because I haven't tried it yet. We'll see it go around, see what it's like. There we go. We're onto the rolling road now. I'll try and move this a little bit closer. See if that helps you at all. So there we go. My rolling road actually needs a bit of a service. It's got quite a bit of dirt on it and grease and things. So this would look great on any layout, just as a focal point, especially if you're starting out and that sort of thing. This one probably will spend most of its time on display, to be honest, in my case, unless it's running around on Aidan's layout, which I can't see a problem with. But definitely it's worth having. Centenary year, cheap locomotive, why not? So there you go for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to get one of these, I hope this video's helped you out, or if you didn't know about it, get in there. It's £28 I think it is annually at the Collectors Club. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, get in touch with me, let me know if you've got one. I haven't seen many of them out there so far, unless they've just turned up. So yeah, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.